Hello everyone! Start off by taking a pair of scissors and then cut a small snippet of the front portion of the hair at around the eyebrow level. Now use any sort of straight tape as such and then cut the hair according to the bottom of the tape where you have put it. Cut it right through and then make sure that it is a blunt cut as such. Make sure that you don't leave out any strands and then use a comb in order to straighten it in the front. Next, take a pair of scissors, pull a comb through the front of the hair and then tilt it slightly. Use a pair of scissors to make a diagonal cut through it. As you move upwards, slightly and slowly move the comb and make it into another shape diagonal on the other side. You should get this opposite U shape. Now, taking the hair that was left over from the sides, begin to make it blend with the rest of the hair as such. Make vertical cuts through the hair as such and then do this on the other side as well. Make sure that the hair at the sides evens out into the hair that is in the center frame. After you have done this, take the center portion of the hair and once more, in this portion of it, make vertical cuts into it. This is the final look. This is what it should look like. Next, take the front portion of the hair, set it towards one side and then cut it at around the chin level. Then make vertical cuts on all of the sides. Use a comb, lift it up slightly and blow dry it in this shape. Then make a curve at the bottom and then this is how it will stand. Next, take the front portion of the hair, take one side of it and then cut it diagonally, almost vertically so, at around the lip and the chin level. Do the same on the other side as well. Comb the hair through, bring it downwards and then make it vertical and then cut it directly through. Now pull the comb through it once more and then begin to vertically cut it so that it looks all the more natural and blends in better. Do the same on the right side as well once you are done with the left. Once you are done, comb it into place and adjust it as need be. Take a hair straightener or a hair curler in order to curl the hair and then make waves out of it as such. This will make it look all the more better and this will make it frame the face very well. This is the final look that we are left with. Comb it to set it into place. Thank you for watching.